Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Playground AI. So from here, just simply go to playground.com and this will be their homepage. And from here, you can just simply click on start designing over here. And after that, as you can see, you can start a design from image or you can just simply select one of their categories. So let's say I'm gonna go for logo over here. And now from here, as you can see, it is welcoming us and click on get started for free. And you should be able to see here the instructions. So from here, just simply click on next and click on start your first design. And from here, just simply provide the information that is being asked. And now from here, as you can see, we are on the category of logo. And now from here, just simply select what you prefer. So guys, let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, adventure. And now from here, just simply click on sign up to edit this template and continue with Google App or with your email. So just simply sign in into your account. And from here, guys, as you can see, when you have the template, you can ask AI to change whatever you like. So let's say I'm gonna go for change the mountain into a outer space, let's say, and click on create. And as you can see, it will change. And from here, just simply provide the information needed to change your design over here down below, guys. Now, once you are done, you can just simply resize it and you can click on apply style over here to change it into multiple options as well. And now from here, guys, just simply click on export once you are done and you can download it over here. And from there, you should be able download it over here and you should be able to use the Playground AI. And that's pretty much it. It is a very simple tool. And now when you click on over here on the left side, you should be able to see here create, which you can also go for your own image over here, guys, and just simply choose an image that you prefer. Let's say I'm going to use our logo as an example. And as you can see, it will be just the same process, guys. That's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.